Looking for an angle grinder that can handle any tough job without breaking a sweat? You're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the best angle grinders on the market, comparing power, durability, and versatility so you can pick the perfect tool for your workshop or DIY projects. From corded beasts to compact cordless options, we've got something for every craftsman and hobbyist. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals on each angle grinder we feature. Let's get grinding. Experience unmatched power and precision for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks with this robust tool designed for heavy-duty use. The Dewalt DWE-402 angle grinder features a next-generation 11-amp AC/DC motor capable of 11,000 RPM, offering one of the best power-to-weight ratios in its class. Constructed with metal and high-quality plastic components, it includes a dust ejection system to prevent damaging particles from entering the tool, extending its lifespan. Users benefit from oversized brushes lasting twice as long as the previous model, and a large spiral bevel gear ensuring durable transmission. The one-touch guard allows 360-degree rotation, while the quick-change wheel release simplifies wheel swaps without a wrench. Ergonomically designed with a small gripping surface and side handle, this grinder maximizes comfort during prolonged use. Safety is prioritized with a paddle switch featuring a lock-off and auto-off brushes protecting the tool from damage. Weighing 6.2 pounds, it balances power and manageability, and the 3-year limited warranty provides peace of mind. Customers praise its durability, performance under heavy workloads, and ease of use, noting it works well even for smaller operators who need a powerful, reliable grinder. Designed for precision and comfort, this tool delivers reliable performance in both professional and home workshop settings. The Bosch GWS 845 angle grinder is powered by a 7.5-amp motor reaching 11,000 RPM, offering sufficient force for grinding and cutting applications. Lightweight at 5.44 pounds, its slim grip design ensures user comfort for extended periods. The grinder is built with durable plastic housing and features directed airflow to keep dust away from critical components, increasing longevity. Its two-position side handle provides versatile control, while the burst protection guard enhances user safety. The service minder brush system alerts users when maintenance is needed, preventing premature wear. The large spindle lock simplifies disc changes, saving time on repetitive tasks. Customers appreciate its ergonomic design and easy one-handed operation, as well as its adequate power for general grinding needs. While some have reported occasional durability issues, most find it dependable for light to medium-duty projects. Overall, it balances portability, comfort, and performance, making it suitable for those seeking a manageable, efficient, and reasonably priced angle grinder for a variety of applications, from metalwork to basic construction. Perfect for mobile or remote work, this battery-powered tool combines portability with professional-grade performance. The Milwaukee 288020 cordless angle grinder operates on the M18 fuel system, delivering up to 8,500 RPM with a brushless motor for extended durability. Built from solid metal, it offers an electronic clutch for kickback protection and overload protection to maximize motor life. The anti-vibration side handle increases comfort and control during prolonged use, while the 5/8" 11 spindle accommodates common grinding accessories. Lightweight yet powerful, it provides cordless convenience without sacrificing output, making it ideal for job sites without direct power access. Users appreciate its rapid stop feature and portability, though battery life can vary based on workload. Feedback highlights impressive power comparable to corded grinders and reliable performance under frequent use. This tool is versatile enough for cutting, grinding, or polishing metal, concrete, and other materials, and its ergonomic design ensures reduced fatigue. Overall, it combines convenience, safety features, and robust construction, appealing to professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a portable grinder capable of handling demanding tasks with precision. Engineered for efficiency and durability, this compact tool is ideal for both metal and concrete grinding projects. The Skil 929501 angle grinder is powered by a 6-amp motor that spins at 11,000 RPM, providing ample cutting and grinding capability. Its blend construction ensures a sturdy, long-lasting body, while the heavy-duty metal gear housing improves durability and protects internal components. A vibration-reducing handle enhances comfort during extended tasks, and the compact grip design ensures better control. The tool features a toolless guard for quick adjustments, allowing users to reposition the safety shield without additional tools. Customers report that it performs well for steel and concrete applications, and its affordable price makes it an attractive option for hobbyists and professionals alike. While opinions vary on ergonomics and switch design, the overall sentiment is positive, emphasizing its power, reliability, and compact size. The grinder provides a solid balance of performance and maneuverability, making it suitable for cutting, grinding, polishing, and general maintenance tasks. Its lightweight profile also reduces operator fatigue during repetitive use. Combining precision and portability, this tool is built to handle demanding grinding tasks with ease. The Metabo G12SR4 angle grinder features a powerful 6.2 amp motor producing 12,000 RPM for efficient cutting, grinding, and polishing. Lightweight at just 4 pounds, it includes a smaller grip diameter for improved control and reduced fatigue, as well as a forward-canted removable side handle for left or right-handed users. Constructed with durable blend materials, it comes with a spindle lock for quick wheel changes and 5 grinding discs for immediate use. The low-profile gear case allows access to tight spaces, while the new labyrinth design enhances dust and debris protection. Customers praise its strong build quality, durability, and practical accessories, noting it's particularly effective for precision work like lawnmower blade sharpening. While some find the switch awkward, most appreciate its ease of use, portability, and reliable performance. This grinder is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require a lightweight, ergonomic, and powerful tool for a variety of grinding applications, delivering both value and convenience right out of the box. Built for rigorous job site demands, this tool combines power, durability, and versatility in one package. The Porter Cable Angle Grinder features a 7.5 amp motor capable of reaching 10,000 RPM, providing sufficient torque for cutting rebar, concrete, or metal surfaces. Its cast metal gear housing enhances durability and longevity under continuous use. The grinder includes a 3-position adjustable side handle for flexibility in multiple working angles, while a soft grip improves user comfort and control. A spindle lock allows quick and convenient wrench bit changes, reducing downtime. Weighing 5.9 pounds, it balances strength and manageability for both heavy and lighter tasks. Customers highlight its power, overall construction quality, and ease of use, though some note occasional concerns about long-term durability. This angle grinder is ideal for professionals seeking a reliable tool capable of tackling diverse tasks efficiently. Its thoughtful ergonomic features, robust motor, and versatile handle positions make it suitable for extended work sessions, while its overall build quality ensures consistent performance and value for money. Engineered for precision, performance, and long-term reliability, this grinder is perfect for demanding metalwork and construction tasks. The Makita 9557PBX1 angle grinder is powered by a 7.5 amp motor, delivering 11,000 RPM, ensuring powerful cutting and grinding performance. Its lightweight design of 4.5 pounds with a small diameter barrel grip enhances user comfort during extended sessions. Protective labyrinth construction shields the motor and bearings from dust and debris, while zigzag varnish protects the armature for long-lasting durability. The grinder features a lock-on/off switch for continuous operation, a paddle switch for comfortable control, and a toolless wheel guard adjustment for quick setup. A C/DC compatibility adds versatility, and the kit includes multiple grinding wheels, a diamond blade, and a sturdy metal case for storage. Users praise its smooth startup, effective grinding on concrete and metal, and solid build quality. Feedback consistently highlights its ease of use, performance, and value, making it a reliable addition to any toolbox. This tool combines durability, safety, comfort, and versatility, making it a top choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best deals.